at risk of two deputy presidents. Maanzo warns after Gachagua impeachment ruling. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing. Don't forget to like, comment, and share our videos. Lawyer and Makueni Senator Dan Maanzo has warned that Kenya could face unprecedented constitutional crisis involving two individuals claiming the office of deputy president following the High Court ruling in the impeachment case involving former DP Rigathi Gachagua. Speaking during a televised interview on Tuesday, June 9, 2026, Maanzo claimed that the impeachment process was fundamentally flawed, claiming that it was influenced by the state interference from the outset and failed to meet constitutional standards of fairness. And I quote, "The impeachment itself was manufactured as state interference from the beginning," Maanzo said. He argued that the legal dispute surrounding Gachagua's removal from office has created uncertainty over the rightful holder of the deputy president's position, suggesting that the matter could escalate further in the appellate courts. According to Maanzo, the courts have already identified concerns around the due process, including claims that Gachagua was not accorded a fair hearing during the impeachment proceedings. And I quote, "Whether they like it or not, when we go to the Court of Appeal, because this is a law and an infringement has been found, that Rigathi Gachagua has been condemned and heard," he stated. Maanzo further predicted that the matter could ultimately reach the Supreme Court, where he believes a final determination will be made regarding the legitimacy of the impeachment process and its consequences. And I quote, "As soon as we clear the matter at the Supreme Court, we will surely have two deputy presidents in this country. That is the status we have found ourselves in," he added. His remarks come amid high-heated political and legal debate surrounding Gachagua's impeachment case, which has emerged as one of the most consequential constitutional disputes in recent years. The High Court on Monday, June 8, 2026, upheld the impeachment of Gachagua but awarded him 50 million in damages, finding that the senators violated his right to a fair hearing during the proceedings. In a judgment delivered at night, the court ruled that while the impeachment itself met the constitutional threshold, could stand aspects of the process fell short of fair trial standards guaranteed under the Constitution. The bench found the members of the Senate proceedings with hearings despite requests for adjournment on medical grounds, concluding that the refusal to pause proceedings amounted to a violation of Gachagua's right to a fair hearing. The court said that although Parliament has broad constitutional authority to oversee and remove state officers, the power must be exercised in accordance with due process protections, including the right of the accused official to participate adequately in proceedings that affect their office and rights. Gachagua's camp is expected to continue pursuing legal remedies as the matter advances through the appellate process. Kirinyaga Woman representative and lawyer Njeri Maina described the High Court's decision to uphold the impeachment of Gachagua as gravely disappointing, saying the legal team will challenge the judgment at the Court of Appeal. Speaking to the journalists outside Milimani Law Courts shortly after the ruling on Monday, June 8, 2026, Maina said Gachagua has accepted the outcome peacefully and urged his supporters to remain calm as the legal process continues. And I quote, "He's a peace-loving Kenyan," she said. "He has called upon all his supporters to take whatever outcome of today's judgment, knowing that we shall proceed to the Court of Appeal and maintain peace and order so that we can give our institutions sufficient time to interrogate this judgment today." The ruling was delivered by a three-judge bench comprising Justice Eric Ogola, Anthony Mrima, and Freda Mugambi. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share our videos. Until another video, bye for now.